to you, my jewelry maker friend. I read all your comments about zodiac birthstone, and today in this video we are going to make a frame for this beautiful green agate. All we need is a 1mm or 18 gauge wire, our main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. And of course, our very beautiful bead or stone. Mine is about 1.6. First of all, we cut about 15 to 18 centimeters length of our 18 gauge wire. And also, we need our round nose pliers. We bend this wire so that start and indent point meet each other, and then this would be the middle of this length. Put your round nose pliers and push these two tails to have a very beautiful loop. And now we make a 90-degree bend with one of these tails, just like this. Put the round nose pliers in and start to wrap the other tail all around. And we pull it tight. If needed, use your tool. Chain nose pliers to squeeze it well. We continue doing that for the second time, and again we wrap wire, and also we could use our round nose pliers to wrap it. Now this is the time where the beautiful stone comes in, and we are going to wrap the wire. One of them should be at the upper side and the other beneath this stone, and put the stone and wrap this wire and make a circle just as the shape of my rounded stone. I would continue that and make a little swirl here. It depends on you to make a dense swirl or just to curl it and have a very little one. So with your round nose pliers, start to make it rounded. Let's check it out and put your stone inside, and that would be perfect for the upper part. And we are going to do the same for the beneath wire, and of course we are using a dead soft wire. This is because I am forming this that easy, unless it would be a little hard for you. I would cut out the extra so that I would make another swirl here. Till now, we have a frame just like this, and our stone is going to be put at the middle of these two rounded wires. Now, we need to attach these two rows. Then I need my thinner wire of about 0.4, 0.5 millimeter in diameter, which means 24 or 26 gauge. And now I insert the wire in and start to make a U shape, just like this, and rotate it back. And continue making a little wire coil here. I would repeat this for about 3 times. This is the way I'm pulling the wire so that it would be attached totally and completely around this frame. After finishing this little wire coil here, we are going to cut this wire in about 2 or 3 centimeters. And at the other part, we are going to wrap this wire and make another wire coil at this back part. So again, this would be the weaving part, the one side, and we are going to repeat this at the other part, just like this. And it would be our very beautiful, easy, and fast wire wrapping all around a stone. That could be your birthstone, aquamarine, agate, amethyst, or any other kind of birthstone that you desire, and that would be very beautiful yet easy. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you liked this wire frame to tell more about these designs. Love you so much. Take care and bye-bye.